Volumes up on this. Okay. Why I look like that? Let's see if I can get some natural light up in here. Natural light up in here. All right, let me do full on top of this family. Not of this. And take this. Minimize. You feel me? All right, man. This is what I was learning how to do. I'm learning how to trade, and I'm doing the 15-minute range breakout strategy along with price action and market structure. This is what I've been learning. I've been playing with 15-minute strategy, and I back tested it for only 2024, maybe a little bit of 2023, but I'm looking to trade the MES. M and Q as well, but starting out, I think the MES is what I'm gonna go with. So anyway, I came to the chart on the daily, and let me see. This is pretty much, yeah, this is what we were seeing. Was this candle here? No. No, this. Because today's Tuesday. There's no news. And to me, overall big picture is bearish. Why? Because we haven't made any higher highs. Technically, I still feel like we are bullish. However, we haven't made any higher highs. So if it sounds weird, it's because it's echoing on my end. But hopefully, I'm speaking clearly. I trust that I'm speaking clearly enough that you can understand. So, anyway, on the daily, my analysis was I'm looking for sells, to be honest with you. Ended up taking buys. So, daily, boom. Then I go to the 1 hour. I'm looking at the 1 hour. It's looking bearish. It's looking bearish, family. So, ideally, I'm looking for breaks of here and breaks of here to kind of see what the market is telling me. I then go to the 15-minute. This is the strategy. 9:30. Oh, this is London. Yeah, this is London. Was this previous day low? Yeah, this was previous day low. Coming into New York, I'm on the 15-minute. I mark out the high and low of the first 15-minute candle, which was this one here, right? So this is what I'm looking at. And so the market kind of effed around today, but buys ended up playing out. And I'm glad that I took it. I didn't take it on a demo, obviously, but if you can do it on a demo, you can do it on live. I don't give a F what anybody say. Oh my days. So I'm looking at this here. At this point, I'm on the 5 minute now because you want to see an open, a close outside of either here or here to take it down here, or break and retest to take it to previous day high for a TP1 or TP2 in my case. So I'm looking at this. It's 10:40. This took a while. And I almost didn't take it because it was later in the day for my entry. And okay, so I'm looking at this. This is going. Okay, I'm seeing this. I'm seeing this. I'm like, technically, the strategy, I would have already gotten in buys probably right here, according to the strategy. But if I would have done that, say I would have got in when I saw this push. That's a 1-to-1. Where would you have put your stop? I guess if you could have put your stop right here, and that's a 1-to-1. But I think you would have got stopped out. Cause look, oh, you got saved. So this is what I saw. I didn't get in here. I waited because I was like, this price action is a little. Are we gonna drop or are we gonna go? And remember, I was looking for sales. So I'm pretty sure. No, it was right here that I looked to my left. I was looking to my left and I saw that this area right here, look at this selling from here. So I knew in my mind that if we closed above this area, I was confident that I could get in for buys. And also, it was in confluence with the 15-minute range strategy, which is pretty much a break and retest of this 15-minute range. So I got in at 11:05 was my entry. And yeah, I put my stop right here below these equal lows. 1-to-1 here. Ideally, I wanted 1-2, which was up here. Well, let's just say it's a preview of that high because I think I got in break of the candle. Anyway, let's see. Look at this. It's still going. I ended up getting out here. 1-to-1 here. Bring your stop to break even once you got a 1-to-1. But man, look, it ended up playing out. That's why I think there's something to the 15-minute range. Like I said, I've back tested it. 2024, it was had a 60% win rate. And yeah, I haven't done MES, but they move similar. And I'll be honest, I was also looking at M&Q, and M&Q was flying. So they move most of the time in confluence. So I kind of had another, confluence on top of that to take the buys. So next time it'll be on the live account. But for now, that was my breakdown. Catch you later, mate.